Hi everyone, it's Lynette Zhang, Chief Market Analyst here at ITM Trading, a full-service physical precious metals, gold and silver brokerage house. So, in insider trading today, here you can see, and Carl, you put up the, okay, so we're doing something new, so bear with me right now. But you can see that the insider trading for every $1 worth of buys in finance, $68 worth of sells, $1 of buy in technology to $119 in selling, consumer services $1 to 52, and business services $1 to 177. Now, those are some pretty good numbers there. We can see that the insiders are definitely going away. But what I also want you to see is that I happened to pick Coca-Cola. So if anybody wants me to do a particular stock, let me know. I'll do it. It doesn't really matter. And you can see on there that in the last 3 months, for every $1 worth of buying, there were $9,672.13 worth of selling. In the meantime, the stock is going up on declining volume. Do you think that the Coca-Cola insiders, boards of directors, CEOs, CFOs, do they know something about Coca-Cola that you do not know? This is how you look at it. Also, in different ways that you can manipulate or manage the markets to your benefit. Okay, well, let's start talking about some scandals here because I don't know where else they fit, and I think this is a perfect place. So Wells Fargo is accused of making improper changes to mortgages. That after they stole over 2 million identities. Do you see a pattern here? Because the pattern should be pretty clear. This morning, Barclays, some CEOs, some high-level people at Barclays have been charged with fraud. Now it goes back to the 2008 crisis, and this stuff is still coming up. Do you really think that anything has been settled? Because it hasn't. And what was particularly interesting to me is when they started talking about it in the video, they were bringing up the Forex rigging, manipulation between Barclays, UBS, Royal Bank of Scotland, Bank of America, JP Morgan Chase, and Citi. I mean, why anybody trusts what it says on that TV or in the computer? Oh, this is what stocks are worth. This is what bonds are worth. This is what gold is worth. There is no real price discovery in these markets. These markets are fiction, augmented reality. And the big reason is because of central bank behavior. So the Swiss central bank blames the strong currency for weak growth. Well, what does that really mean? That means that they are doing their best to remove value from that currency. Now, if you are a corporation and you are exporting so that your exports look cheaper, maybe that's a good thing. But if you have to use the Swiss franc or the US dollar or any of them, because they're all doing the same thing, well, then guess what? That means that you are working for something that has less and less and less value until confidence is lost and has no value at all. This is why you need to have gold and silver physically outside of the system to avoid all of these different abuses and more. So understand that it is very easy to move these markets in any way that they want to, and it doesn't matter which one you're looking at. They're all forms of, they might call it management, I call it manipulation. That's it for today. So like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. If you like this, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. But mostly, give us a call. 888-696-4653, and be safe out there. Bye-bye.